I just wrapped up a week at Samsung Galaxy Unpacked in New York City, where we got to see the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 8, Z Fold 8 Ultra, Z Flip 8, as well as the new Galaxy Card. First of all, I'm actually really loving the new Fold 8 form factor, and I'm actually using it right now to read some notes while recording this video. I'll have to test out all the devices more in depth when it comes to watching content, playing games, etc. But these are my first impressions so far. Before we jump into it, let's unbox all the devices first. We finally have the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 in hand, so let's open up the box. So let's pull this up. Oh, wait, is this the lavender color? Oh my gosh, look at that. So let's pull this out. Hopefully I don't drop it. And we got the phone right here. Let me put this to the side. And ta-da, nothing else. Oh, there's other stuff there. SIM eject tool, cable. Let's peel this right here. Oh, that's nice. Close this up. Peel the film in the front. All right, I gotta do one thing. Let's see if it fits inside my pocket. Fits pretty comfortably, but then again, I have men's jeans, so it's not really a problem for me. So just for reference, this is the Fold 7 right next to me, and this is the Fold 8. We can see that the Fold 8 is a lot stubbier, it's shorter. The direct successor to the Fold 7 is the Fold 8 Ultra, but this is meant to be a smaller form factor with a 4:3 aspect ratio when you open it up, and then 3:4 when you flip it vertically for watching content, reading books, watching movies and stuff. While we're waiting for the phone to turn on, let's open up this case. So this is the carbon magnet case from Samsung, and let's open it back here. Pull this out. Oh, and it just slips right on. Really nice carbon fiber feel. New and improved Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and inside the box is a thinner and lighter foldable phone. Let's go ahead and sit down and unbox this. So let's pull open the top of the box. Ooh. So we have the purple color. Violet. It's called Violet. We have the violet shadow color, and I coincidentally happen to be wearing something similar. Samsung also coincidentally provided the lavender Galaxy Z Fold 8, so this is perfect because we have the entire set right here. Let's pull this out. Also inside the box, we have a USB-C cable and some documentation in here. Let's peel the film on the cover screen. Oh, that was satisfying. And the film on the main screen when it's unfolded. Oh, that's nice. Let's also open up the carbon magnet case for the Z Fold 8 Ultra, and we got some tape here. Luckily, I have the Galaxy Card. This is exactly what it was made for. Let's peel this out. So inside the box, we have some screen protectors, which I'm not gonna apply right now, but we have the case itself. Really nice feeling carbon fiber, all the cutouts for the buttons here and the camera, and then a magnetic ring inside for MagSafe charging. And let's just pop this on the back of the phone. Unfortunately, we pretty much cover the entire color of the phone, except for the corners and then the camera cutout, but at least it's like partially protected. And it's a super slim case too, fits really nice into the pocket. But for now, let's just take a look at the size difference of the Z Fold 8 and the Z Fold 8 Ultra. You can see that the Z Fold 8 is significantly shorter, but it is a little bit wider. And then when you unfold them, this is the Z Fold 8, Z Fold 8 Ultra stacked on top of each other. Let's do the pocket test on both of them. Z Fold 8 just fits in there super easily. Z Fold 8 Ultra also fits in there pretty easily, but then again, I have men's pants. The regular Z Fold 8 would obviously fit into smaller pockets easier. This is the new Samsung Galaxy Card, and I might be one of the first to unbox it, so let's open up the package right here. I can't believe they gave me a free credit card. I'll share the numbers on the back if you hit the follow button right now. But opening this up, we can see the card itself, and then a bunch of documentation. Let's just read this right now. So it's a Visa signature card. So I normally make tech content, not personal finance stuff, but I feel like I had to share this. This is a Visa signature card, and they partnered with Barclays to provide this. We have the card member agreement, bunch of documentation. So Samsung just announced this card at Galaxy Unpacked. It's metal coated in plastic, so it doesn't really clang like the Apple Card. Here are the numbers in the back. I'm kidding, this is just a demo card. It's not a free credit card. This is the back. Here's a sound test too. Insert clip. So what's cool about this credit card is that there's no annual fee. You get 5% back if you purchase directly from Samsung, 3% on purchases with the Galaxy card in Samsung Wallet, which is better than Apple's 2% with the Apple card in Apple Pay, 2% back streaming services, 1% back everything, and a $200 sign-up bonus if you spend $2,000, which will pretty much hit with the new foldables. I mean, this card's definitely geared towards Samsung users. If you already use Samsung Wallet, I think it's a good option. I mean, you get 3% cash back, which is pretty nice. Time to join your metal friends. All right. So the Z Fold 8, I feel like I'll have more comprehensive thoughts on the phone in a future video, like potentially if I switch to it for a full week. But right off the bat, the tiny height is actually really useful. It's easy to reach the top of the phone with just one hand. My hands are also pretty small in general, so it fits easier in the hands as well. It also slides into my pockets easier and fits smaller pockets like if I was wearing shorts. And it still has a huge 7.6-inch screen unfolded with a 4:3 horizontal aspect ratio and a 3:4 vertical aspect ratio. The unfolded display is nice to use for the new Spidey tracker, taking photos while having another app open, reading YouTube comments while watching videos, or just opening up a few tabs at the same time. I especially like it for scripting because I can keep my Notes app open while having the Photos app open, so I can look at photos of spec sheets at press briefings while jotting down notes on the other side of the phone. The anti-reflective display that goes up to 3000 nits of brightness works really great outdoors, and I can see it on the sunny day today. Opening maps is awesome too because I can see so much more than with a traditional phone. Anyway, for the other specs, it is two 50 megapixel main rear cameras, one being a wide lens and the other one being an ultra wide with support for dual recording. Here's some example shots from the Z Fold 8 that we took on a day out with the Samsung team. There's also a 4800 mAh battery inside, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy chip, and support for 45-watt wired and 20-watt wireless charging. The crease is also virtually gone with the new Flex titanium tech. It's more durable than the previous plastic layer that they were using inside, and it just looks way better when it's unfolded. Now, the Z Fold 8 Ultra is the direct successor to the Z Fold 7. It's a more incremental upgrade from the Fold 7 with a slimmer build, which I genuinely didn't know was possible with the already slim build on the Z Fold 7. Just like the Fold 8, the crease has pretty much disappeared with the new Flex titanium tech, and it's a more sturdy folding experience that kind of snaps into place, which is cool. The 50 megapixel rear ultra wide camera at the top is upgraded for higher resolution. The 200 megapixel main camera right below that supports HDR now, and the 10 megapixel telephoto right below that is the same. As for video specs, there's 8K video, a new Cine LUT, and APV codec. Here's some example shots for the Z Fold 8 Ultra that we took on our day out. I also made sure to record video in 8K as well as in log format. The chip inside's the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. It's also packing a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired and 20-watt wireless charger. The Z Flip 8 is thinner and lighter with an upgraded flex window and improvements to Now Brief and Now Nudge that allow you to customize your cover screen without even opening the phone. Super Steady with horizontal lock is now supported in flex cam mode, so you can hold the Flip like a camcorder and capture steady video. The new Samsung Galaxy credit card is a card that shows up in the Samsung Wallet app, and also in the Wallet app, they introduced stablecoin support. I might apply for this just to check it out, and I think the 5% on purchases directly from Samsung is a pretty useful feature to have, especially because Samsung also sells appliances too, so that could come in handy in the future if I ever need to buy new appliances. A couple other quick announcements. Samsung worked with Apple to make migrating to Samsung much easier, and AirDrop works with Quick Share now, so you can share content to iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, and all that, and everything in the Apple ecosystem, or just use QR codes to share stuff. I'm really excited to test out these devices even more and let you know my more complete thoughts. What do you all think of Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like the smaller form factor with the Z Fold 8 or the larger Z Fold 8 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below, and subscribe and like for more.